we did a kill stupid rule, and I had the CHRO up there, and he's looking at all the Post-its on the wall, that all the rules that people want to kill. I mean, there's hundreds of them. He was really shocked, like, God, they think there's hundreds of things to kill. Most of them were his rules. Hint, hint. And I do it with my team all the time. They're always my stupid rules. It's a little hard. It's a little offensive at first, but you realize why people are saying them. And so this guy was standing up there, he was the CHRO, and he's looking at the themes, at all these rules, and he noticed that everyone was writing down the MOR. And that's the monthly operating report. And he said, so you guys want to kill the MOR? Woo! Big round of applause. Yeah, woo! Lighters in the room. And he said, that's fine. He goes, but I came up with the MRR. Right? Everyone's like, oh, fire, this isn't going to be good. And he said, however, I don't like it either. I thought you guys liked it as a way for us to organize ourselves. And one guy even said, I don't even send it. You guys haven't caught me. I haven't been sending it for months. I was like, that's my guy. And so they said, listen, it's nerve-wracking for you to have to do big change. And so the CHRO said, listen, we'll pilot getting rid of it for 3 months, okay? And if we miss it, we bring it back, and if not, we kill it. They killed it in 3 months, and it was gone.